Behind the line. Match starts in 3, 2, 1, go.
And here we go. Match number 49 of match number 54 of what will be a total of 59 qualifiers. Now underway in autonomous. 52.93 scoring Algae in the processor. That's worth 6 points on the side in autonomous. Coming out of autonomous, it's neck and neck with the Red Alliance leading 24-23. The human players now take control for 2 minutes and 15 seconds as Algae is placed in the barge by the Blue Alliance team member. 4 points for each one of those Algaes that are successfully placed in the barge as 4188, the Columbus Space Program, successfully places it from the ocean floor. On the side, there's a processor. When Algae is processed on the side, it's worth 6 points for the Alliance that processes it. Placing it high atop in the barge, worth 4 points for the Alliance when they do that. As 4188 right now scores 4 in the barge. 4188 picks up another piece of Algae as the Blue Alliance does the same. That was, wow, they're moving so fast, can't even catch the name. All right, here we go. 1261, the Robo Lions at the reef as 6023, the disc box pick up coral and place it high atop the reef. That's worth 5 as Columbus Space Program launches another one into the barge for another 4 points. It's 109-76 in favor of the Blue Alliance right now as we're right at 1 minute left to go. Columbus Space Program scoring in the barge one more time as the Metal Crusaders place it in the middle. That's worth 4 points every time they do that. Columbus Space Program clings the reef, pulling off another piece of Algae as 1833 Team Bean is at the barge, at the reef scoring 6023 to disc box as well, scoring high. The Robo Lions with a piece of coral in their position, looking to try to fill that reef up completely. If they can do that, that's a successful feat. Completely filling up the reef. If they can score 5 or more, they get that coral points as 4188 tries another one in the barge. It flies over the top of the barge and the Red Alliance side of the field as the middle branch continues to be filled up on the Red Alliance side of the field. Here comes 5293, the Metal Crusaders. Another 4 points for their Alliance. It's 161 for the Blue. Make that 164-96 now. As we're down to the end, 1833 Team Bean floating off of the ocean surface using that low cage, that deeply anchored cage. The current is moving them around and they watch to see if they're not touching the floor, if they're not touching the ocean floor, they get that 12 points. We'll see here in just a moment. Here we go with the results of that last match. Watch the color of the fish swimming on the reef. It's the Blue Alliance victorious in that match with a score of 185-105. The Blue Alliance gained 5 ranking points. They scored an awful lot of points in the coral. They were able to score 5 pieces of coral on each one of the levels of the reef and gained them that ranking point. They were also able to score, more than 14 points in the barge, as the Red Alliance also gained a ranking point for activity in autonomous.